हेलो एस्पिरेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में आप एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के फर्स्ट डे में होने वाले स्क्रीनिंग को लाइव देखेंगे, ओआईआर और पीपीडीटी। वीडियो में पीपीडीटी के बाद विंग कमांडर केपी ठाकुर सर ने कुछ वैल्यूएबल टिप्स दी हैं विच यू शुड नॉट मिस एट एनी कॉस्ट। सो वीडियो लास्ट तक देखिए और आपके एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको ऑल द बेस्ट।
So in this basic screening test, your first test will be verbal and non-verbal reasoning test. From this test, we are going to extract your officer's intelligence rating. We are going to get your IQ level intelligence rating. Right? This OIR given to you in selection board is computer generated rating. Prime thing required for finding out your OIR is your mental age as well as your actual age. Right? So, what level of questions you are going to get? What level of responses you are going to give? This matters a lot. What percentage of marks you are going to get out of it? This will decide your officer's intelligence rating. Make sure you need to perform good into OIR, because OIR is not only helpful for getting you recommended in stage 1, but it is very much helpful for making you a considerable candidate in conference. It plays a vital role in your selection, because the marks you are going to get in trainability or as trainability marks, your IQ level plays an important role for the kind of or scope of training available in any individual. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, gentlemen, listen carefully. PPTT consists of two parts: narration of a story and discussion to make a group story. Before that, you will be shown a picture here. You will be shown a frame here. Watch the frame carefully for 30 seconds. Then it will be switched off. After that, you will be given 1 minute to fill up this page. That is, whatever columns are there, we will fill it up. 1 minute, and after that you will write the story in 3.5 minutes. Okay, 3.5 minutes. After that, the story will be taken back. Again, you will arrange your chairs in a semicircular manner, and after that narration will start and straightway PPDT will start. As soon as the last person will finish his narration, the group discussion will start, and the time for group discussion will be 10 minutes. Okay, understood all?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now watch frame. What frame you are getting? Start writing. Stop. Okay, if you want to read your story, you can go through. After that, give me your papers. Okay, now gentlemen, listen carefully. Now this is the narration part of PPDT. You will be given 1 minute time each for narrating your story. And after that, the first person, then second person, third person. As soon as the last person finishes his narration, you will start discussing, the group discussion. In that you have to find a group story. And time for this is given 10 minutes. Okay, the time starts.
Friends, in the photo frame shown to us, I perceive 4 characters. They all are male and between the age bracket of 21 to 25 years, and they all are in the positive mood. And the action of my story is going for NGO awareness camp. And the main protagonist of my story is Naman. Naman is young college graduate and now associated with an NGO which mainly focuses on the education of the poor people. So one day Naman along with his colleagues decided to go to a Palampur village nearby through bicycle. So when they reached there, they were shocked to see the status of education in the village. So they talked to the Sarpanch of the village, arranged a meeting with the villagers, and told about the importance of education and along with the many government schemes for the poor people. So villagers were looking very much convinced, and Naman and his
Next,
came back.
next.
Okay, gentlemen, my story is Ram is a student of class 12 and his friends, and there are 4 characters. They are getting for late for examination, and then Ram is very nice, intelligent student, and they decide to start the race for reaching the before the examination with the time, and they start the race and enjoyful and reach the examination center before the time with the intelligence of Ram, and all guys are very happy.
Next.
Gentlemen, in my story, in the picture I have seen 4 characters. All were male of age group 17 to 19 years. All were in the positive mood, and the action of my story is awareness campaign. Ajay was the second senior cadet of NCC, and in the NCC camp, they organized an awareness campaign in the nearby village for increasing of the voting percentage in the village, which later on increased the percentage in the elections. Thank you.
Friends,
Next.
I perceived 4 characters in the picture. They all are male. Their age is between 16 to 40 years. Satyam was my central character. Satyam was a student of class 11. One day in his village, a blood bank came to take blood of volunteers. He saw, but no one was ready to give the blood. He discussed this problem in his school and with his classmates and teachers. They launched a cycle campaign and went door to door and aware people about the blood donation. After that, the people become ready to blood donation. Satyam got satisfaction. Thank you.
Okay,
Next.
according to the picture shown to us, I perceived that there are 4 characters of which all are male and of age group between 20 to 24, and all are in positive mode. The action of my story is inter-college competition. Sachin, the main character of my story, was pursuing a BSc degree from Allahabad University, and one day while he was attending the class, he came to know from his principal that there is a inter-college competition is going to be held in next month. He was made the team captain, and he made a team in which a person with good physique, who knows swimming, cycling, racing, and who are intelligent. Then he along with the group prepared a lot, and on the competition day they performed well and won the competition. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceived 4 people in the picture. They are all male and in positive mood, and they are in the age bracket of 20 to 22 years. And the action is a cycling campaign. So Veer Vijay is a cultural prefect of his college. He starts to organize an event for World Health Day, and he decides to organize a cycling campaign to promote awareness for healthy exercise and heart diseases. So he decides to hire cycles, prepares with his friends placards and charts, and decides to promote a cycling
Next.
competition.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. What I perceived in the picture shown is 4 characters. They are all in a positive mood and between the age group of 25 to 30 years of age. The central character of my story is Ramu. He is a daily wage worker, and the theme of my story is workers going on a bicycle. Ramu was a daily wage worker in the nearby Fame in the industrial area. Once he was traveling with his friends on a bicycle, where he saw a boy drawing in the nearby stream flowing. So at once he saw, he he talked to his friends and went on to rescue him, and then he came out with the boy and gave the first aid, and then he got his family members.
Next.
Good afternoon, friends. There are 4 characters in my story. All are in positive modes between age group of 20 to 30 years. Hero of my story is Ankit Mehra, and the topic is outdoor cycle endurance race. Captain Ankit Mehra is posted at BTI Belgaum as a chief training officer. One day he planned outdoor endurance cycle race for his trainees. For that, he called a meeting of all the instructors, briefed about them the idea, about the day route map and the do and don'ts. In the evening, he also called a general meeting of all the trainees and briefed about the next day plan. Next day assembled at the ground and they carried out the entrance race. While in the race, he also encouraged all the trainees for their participation, and at last all of them completed the race. It was great race, and it expected more the result for the trainees After that, a case report was made on that, and it was also available with the other training institute also. Thank you.
Next.
Gentlemen, the picture shown to us, I perceive there were 4 characters, all were male, and the age was around 19 to 22 years, and the mood was positive. The action of my study is cleanliness. Pratik works in an NGO and he was in graduation and lives in city. One day he went to his native village and found that the area was not clean. Then he called his colleagues and made proper signboard at regular interval and put dustbin as well, and write letter to municipality for proper drainage system, and also started awareness campaign, and thus by all efforts of Pratik and his colleagues, the area looks good. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I perceived 4 characters, all of male, and the age group of all are between 20 to 25 years old. Ruhan was a student in Satana PG College and he joined the NSS camp. One day camp was organized and the aim of camp was concerned about the increasing pollution level in the city. On their first day of camp, they all have taken their bicycles and aware the people of the city to use of bicycle for shorter distance and for marketing so that their health and also the population level will decrease. Thank you.
Good evening friends, in my story there was 4 characters, all are in positive mood and age between 16 to 18. Ritik was the main character of my story, and action of my story is create awareness about the environment. Ritik was a student of class 10. He lived in Uttarakhand. One day his teacher talked about the environment and deforestation. Then he made the plan along with his friend to aware the people of other village about the environment. So he collect the money from the school and buy some plant from the market and go the friend with cycle to other village and distribute this plant and aware also villagers about the environment. Then he come back to home safely.
Next.
Then the picture shown to us, I have seen 4 characters. They all are in positive mood at the age between 16 to 18 years. Shikhar is the main character of my story. He was a student of 12th class and he was a very good and helping nature student. One day he heard from his friend that the people of his village that didn't send their child to school, so he decided to aware the people of that village with the help of their friends. He take the help of their friends and go to the village and aware the people
Next.
to send their children in school.
Good morning everybody, and in my perception there are 4 characters and my main character's name is Kishore. He was a young boy of a village and he got to know that there is a pandemic spreading in his village, and he also got to know that that pandemic is just spreading by contact. So he discussed with his friend that he has to spread awareness among the people about that pandemic and should have to stop the main cause of that pandemic because it is just spreading through contact. So he put on his cycles with his friend and just go on an spreading awareness spreading program and go door to door to give the information about this pandemic and save all the villagers.
Okay, friends, first of all, let us talk on the common ground as one of the expertise in story regarding the awareness campaign.
I think most of us are getting to the point that there are 4 characters for all are male.
All of us are agreed there are 4 main characters, all are in positive moods and doing something better for others.
Yes.
Okay, so I we have sufficient amount of time, so let us discuss one by one. As chess number 79 has stated that we can make story on some social issue.
On the basis of awareness of the society.
I totally agree with chapter number 53 that we should have to think about the theme, and I think the main theme of our group is to spread awareness among the people.
I support that.
Now let's move forward. I would like to take the point of chess number 94 that we can make a cycling campaign who is awareing the people.
About the blood donation, and it becomes
Because the
blood campaign might be suitable for this.
Yes,
I picture number 26 that we have reached here, then where we have decided the theme and the problem is to spread the awareness for the blood donation. So as we should have decided the awareness is being spread by the cycling campaign.
By the NGO,
We can also introduce NGO also there.
Now we should promote the common thing, that is the donation camp.
We can take the donation camp and provide the
Okay, now all the members of the story should be a student of college and also NGO worker.
I think that's taking the point that they are going on a cycling campaign for the blood donation campaign. This time it has been discussed. Now let us move forward and proceed forward for that.
By means
they can organize the donation camp. They can organize a campaign like spreading the knowledge of the people for the important
cycling campaign. We must need to do some preparation, so our hero must also need to do some preparations.
Okay, let's
and
the spreading awareness. We can decide the preparation level of blood donation and the importance and the benefits of the blood donation. We can decide the preparation of the hero from his background. So it may be from the school level or it may be from a graduate student.
Yes,
So,
yes,
or
yes,
maybe from your
most of our shows we are already
Okay, so one more thing I want to spread that. One more thing I want to tell that if they are spreading awareness for the blood donation camp, so there is a need in the blood donation.
Stop.
So we are
Stop. Choose your leader.
So now I recommend test number 38 to narrate the story as a common story, please.
Okay. Thanks for appointing me. I just to give the common story. Our common story is that Satyam was the central character of our story. He was a student. In his village, blood bank came to take blood of volunteers, but no one was ready to give the blood donation. He discussed this problem in his school with his classmates as well as his teachers. So after that they launched a cycle campaign and went door to door to aware people about the blood donation. After that people become ready to blood donation. Satyam got satisfaction.
या बनते बनते रह जाना चाहिए था। हालांकि किसी ने कहा कि ठीक है इस थीम पे लेके चलते हैं, लेकिन वो सही डिस्कशन के एंड में जो होना चाहिए ना, या तो ग्रुप पूरी तरह से बन जाए एक स्टोरी पे, या बनते बनते जस्ट रह जाना चाहिए। ऐसा हुआ नहीं था, ठीक है ना। वैसे उस बीच में से देख करके हमने जो ठीक करना था ठीक किया। एक लड़का है जो बहुत अच्छा पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा था, लेकिन उसकी आंख जैसे नरेशन पार्ट में देखा, वो लगातार यहाँ बैठा था, वो इधर ही देखता रह गया। कौन था? तुम थे? नहीं नहीं, तुम बैठे थे ना यहाँ पे। हाँ 53, हालांकि मैंने इसको टिक किया है 53 को, लेकिन जो नरेशन है ना, नरेशन में योर आई कॉन्टेक्ट हैज़ टू बी विथ एवरीवन। धीरे 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 थोड़ा सिर हिलना चाहिए, है ना, ये ज़रूरी, राइट। अच्छा, वर्ड्स अच्छे इस्तेमाल करना, पार्टिसिपेशन होना चाहिए बढ़िया से, एनर्जी लेवल भी बढ़िया से होना चाहिए। दूसरा, डिस्कशन हो तो यू शुड बी गुड लिसनर ऑल्सो, है ना। ये नहीं कि बोले जाओ बोले जाओ बोले जाओ, वैसा नहीं। यू शुड बी गुड लिसनर, कंटिन्यूअस नहीं बोलना है, बोलो। उसके बाद जैसे शुरुआत में अगर बोलना शुरू किए तो बोलो करीब 30-40 सेकेंड बोलो, उसके बाद स्टॉप, लिसन, है ना, 10 सेकेंड 15 सेकेंड यू कैन स्टॉप। उसके बाद अगेन ओपन अप, देन यू स्टार्ट एडिंग द पीपल इन योर ग्रुप। यह होता है ना कि जैसे ओके नरेशन के वक्त ही यू शुड बी एबल टू जज हुज स्टोरी इज वेरी क्लोजर टू माई स्टोरी। आपको गिवन ग्रुप में अराउंड 3 और 4 बच्चे मिल जाएंगे हुज स्टोरीज आर वेरी क्लोज टू योर स्टोरी। रिमेंबर देयर चेस्ट नंबर्स and listen all the stories carefully, okay, and keep in mind all the good points of the stories. Then जैसे discussion start होता है तो in that जैसे पहली बार तो try to press your story, ठीक है, उसके बाद stop. The idea is to have the best story, it may not be yours, जिद मत करो कि मेरी स्टोरी ही सेलेक्ट हो, है ना, ऐसा जिद नहीं करना है। उसके बाद जब आप स्टॉप होते हो 10 सेकंड के लिए बीच में, एंड थर्ड टाइम व्हेन यू ओपन अप, देन try to add those people. Okay, chest number 3, 4, 5 and 6, I think we all 5 are speaking almost the same story. क्या होता है कि सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में। Once you have named them by uttering their chest numbers, you have supported them, then they start supporting you. Then okay, your this point is taken in the story, very fine, by this point, and okay, number 5 with your this point story becomes very good. Now you formed a group of 5 people. देन स्टॉप, उनको बढ़ाने दो, स्टोरी को उनको बढ़ाने दो। अब फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू अगेन ओपन अप आफ्टर 10 to 15 सेकेंड, ऐड ओके नंबर 10, गिव सम पॉइंट इन दिस स्टोरी, ऐड द पीपल। चेस्ट नंबर जिसका जितनी बार अटर करोगे कि यस योर दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी गुड, यू हैव सपोर्टेड हिम, सो गिव एंड टेक में ही विल सपोर्ट यू, टेक हिज सम पॉइंट्स। ऐसे 2-4 लोगों को जोड़ो। द मोमेंट पीपल सी दैट यार 5-6-7 बच्चों का एक ग्रुप बन गया, पीपल विल स्टार्ट सपोर्टिंग यू। इस तरह से ग्रुप फॉर्म करने की टेक्निक है। अनलेस यू सपोर्ट अदर पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू सपोर्ट यू। ठीक है ना, इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना, ऐसे ग्रुप फॉर्म करते हैं। और फाइनली देयर आर सम पीपल हु विल नॉट फॉल इन लाइन, लेकिन अंत आते आते दे विल ऑल्सो फॉल इन लाइन। ओके, तो या तो स्टोरी बन जानी चाहिए या बनते बनते रह जानी चाहिए। देन व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, ओके चूज योर लीडर। सो समबडी टोल्ड दे ओके 53 या किसी को बोला ना एक्सप्लेन करने को, ओके। उसके बाद 53 जब एक्सप्लेन करता है तो ही शुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन हिज स्टोरी। जो स्टोरी ग्रुप की डेवलप हुई है, दैट स्टोरी इज टू बी एक्सप्लेन। ठीक है। अच्छा, दूसरा इसमें केस हो सकता है स्टोरी बनते बनते रह गई। ये केस हो सकता है ना कि स्टिल ही टोल्ड, उसने वॉश आउट नहीं कराया, बोला कि ठीक है चूज योर लीडर। तो स्टोरी एक पॉइंट तक मान लो लास्ट तक बन गई है, उसमें 1-2 सेंटेंस और होते तो वो फुल हो जाती। ठीक है ना, माने ये केस है स्टोरी का। तो अब जो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, जहाँ तक ग्रुप स्टोरी बनी है, एक्सप्लेन इट नाइसली। ओके, एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद व्हेन यू रीच द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर स्टोरी वाज नॉट कंक्लूडेड, तो उस पॉइंट पे जाने के बाद यू हैव टू से वेल फ्रेंड्स विथ योर परमिशन आई कंक्लूड द स्टोरी दैट ओके मोहन वेंट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस टू दिस प्लेस एंड फाइनली ही वाज एबल टू डू दिस। ठीक है ना, इस तरह से उसको कंक्लूड करते हैं। वेल फ्रेंड्स, वेल जेंटलमैन, विद योर परमिशन आई कंक्लूड द स्टोरी दैट ऐसे ऐसे, है ना, इस तरह से उसको ये करते हैं। लेकिन ध्यान रखना 40% सिलेक्शन नरेशन में हो जाते हैं। स्क्रीनिंग में 40% सिलेक्शन जो है ना, इसमें नरेशन में ही हो जाते। ध्यान रखना, 2-3 आदमी वाच कर रहे हैं आपको, आपकी आइडिया कैसी है ना। और बाद में देखा जाता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में हाउ यू कंडक्ट फाइनल, उसमें आता है, लेकिन 40% काम जो होता है नरेशन में हो जाता है। और OIR 1 and 2, अगर इनका जैसे नरेशन वगैरह अच्छा है, ग्रुप डिस्कशन में एवरेज भी है या थोड़ा एवरेज से थोड़ा ऊपर है, एनर्जी लेवल वगैरह, आइडिया वगैरह, ग्रुपिंग वगैरह, तो इसमें आ जाते हैं। लेकिन अगर आपका OIR में 1 भी आ गया है, अगर आपके वर्ड्स ठीक नहीं है, आइडिया ठीक नहीं है ना, कंडक्ट ठीक नहीं है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, तो फिर भी सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा। लेकिन वेटेज होता है, 1 and 2 का वेटेज होता है। और कुछ? अच्छा, सिंपल प्रोसेस है। एक चीज़ और बताता हूँ आपको। जो स्क्रीनिंग बोर्ड होता है, इन दैट देर आर 3 ऑप्शंस, और एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट होता है जनरली जो OIR का रिजल्ट लेके आता है, तो वो तो बाद में आता है रिजल्ट बनाते वक्त। एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, द 3 पीपल आर वाचिंग। जब आप व्हेन यू हैव गिवन द स्टोरी बैक, द स्टोरी इज गिवन टू वन ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स, तो वो एक साइड में बैठ करके स्टोरी देखता रहेगा। ठीक है ना, स्टोरी चेक करता रहेगा। सामने एक बैठा होगा, हाँ, जो आपका जिसकी तरफ फेस करके आप बैठे हो, एक तीसरा अफसर जो है बोर्ड में वो भी बैठा होता है आसपास, वो भी वॉच करता है। तो तीनों के क्या होता है, ये जो पेज होता है ना, आपका ऑलरेडी आपके बैच का जो चेस्ट नंबर है प्रिंटेड है, जैसे 1 2 3 है ना, इस साइड में ऐसे ऐसे प्रिंटेड है, और इधर क्या है बैच नंबर वगैरह लिख देते हैं, और फिर यहाँ पे जैसे YND, Y मतलब येस, N मतलब नो, D मतलब डाउटफुल केस। अब तीनों बात कर रहे हैं अपना अपना रिजल्ट। अब मान लो कोई Y के सामने टिक कर दिया 1 को, कोई दूसरा है N के सामने टिक कर दिया, तीसरा है D के सामने टिक कर दिया, मैंने डाउटफुल, पता नहीं कैसा है, ठीक है ना। तो ऐसे ऐसे अपना अपना इंडिपेंडेंटली वो टिक करते रहते हैं। आप जब नरेट करते हो, ग्रुप डिस्कशन करते हो, आफ्टर दैट जब आपका हो जाता है, तो जब आप लंच के लिए जाते हो तो ये लोग बैठते हैं आपका रिजल्ट बनाने, OIR वाला भी लेकर के आ जाता है। तो फिर ये आपस में डिस्कस करते हैं। ओके, जो चेयरमैन ऑफ द बोर्ड होगा, स्क्रीनिंग बोर्ड, वो बोलेगा ओके चेस्ट नंबर 1 आई गिव हिम यस, आई गिव हिम वाई, दूसरा जो मार्क दिया आई गिव हिम नो, तीसरा आई गिव हिम डी, और OIR वाला बोलता है ग्रेड या कैटेगरी बोलते हैं ना, हाँ OIR हाँ OIR 1, ही गॉट 1 Y 1 N 1 डाउटफुल, OIR 1 एक Y में एक D के साथ और 1 OIR के साथ ही गेट सिलेक्शन। OIR का बहुत ज़्यादा वेट होता है, तो आप OIR की प्रैक्टिस करो टू गेट गुड ग्रेड इन दैट, है ना। तो इस प्रकार से आपका रिजल्ट बनता है। लेकिन हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है, अपनी एनर्जी शो करनी है, वर्ड्स पॉजिटिव यूज करने हैं, नेगेटिव कभी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में या नरेशन नेगेटिव वर्ड्स को यूज नहीं करना है, ठीक है ना। आइडिया, ठीक है, आइडिया काफ़ी बच्चों की अच्छी होती है, प्रॉब्लम कम्स इन नरेशन पार्ट और ग्रुप डिस्कशन में उसको पुशअप करने का, है ना, काफ़ी बच्चों की अच्छी ही होती है, ठीक है।
सेना में अधिकारी बनने के लिए SSB इंटरव्यू में अपनी पर्सनैलिटी, कॉन्फिडेंस और साइकोलॉजी एनहेंस करें अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर्स, फुल्ली इक्विप्ड एंड स्पेशियस GTO ग्राउंड। OIR, PPDT, साइकोलॉजी, GTO और पर्सनल इंटरव्यू की कंप्लीट और थोरो प्रिपरेशन के लिए ज्वाइन मेजर कल्ची क्लासेस।